Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio. So today we are going to make floral coasters. So the very first thing which I am taking is the resin mold, gloves, alcohol inks from iCraft, a dry pressed flower packet and the Lipox resin. So the very first step is you need to take 2 paper cups. Take the first solution, which is the resin solution. Now you can always use a weighing scale to make your resin solution. The ratio of this resin is 2:1. So first I have taken resin in my cup. Now I will be adding the hardener, just half the quantity of resin. Now I will be taking an old stick, anything you can take, just to stir the solution. Make sure that you stir the solution nicely for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I will just divide the solution into 2 equal parts. Now we will place our resin coasters and I am just going to pour the clear resin on both the coasters. As you can see, I am leaving 1/4 portion of both the molds. Now with the help of stick, I am spreading the resin all over the mold. Now we are taking the dry pressed flowers. These flowers are very delicate to use, so whenever you use them, please use them very nicely. Now with the help of a plucker or a tweezer, you can take anything what you have. We are just placing the dry pressed flowers inside the wet resin. So now the designing part totally depends upon you, how you want to place the flowers inside your coaster. So be very careful while placing the flowers. I am repeating this again and again. You can add some leaves to make it look like an actual bunch. Now once I am done with one coaster, I will be repeating the same to the other coaster. Now it depends on you whether you want to place the flowers in the center or you want to make the arrangement on one side of the coaster. So designing is totally your call, how you want to give that. Now I am taking the leftover solution and I am just pouring it on the flowers so that the flowers get dipped nicely into the resin. Now again taking the resin solution into 2 cups. Now in 1 cup I will be adding the green shade of alcohol ink. And now we need to mix it well. The intensity of color depends upon how many drops you pour in, so the color shade depends on you. Now I am just pouring the green color resin on the outlines. You can see that I am just pouring on the outer edges. Make sure that you cover the mold nicely. Now I am just adding a little bit of clear resin in the center to make sure that my all flowers are dipped well. Now I will be taking another color of ink, that is the blue color alcohol ink. I will be adding few drops again in the resin mixture. Again we will stir it well. And now in the similar manner we poured the green color, we are going to pour the blue color. Now you can use a stick or any old thing to just dip your flowers into the resin. Make sure that both the clear resin and the colored resin have mixed into each other very well. Just pouring the remaining color in the previous mold itself. Now with the help of a hairdryer, I am just trying to kill the bubbles. You can even take a stick or a pointed object to just prick the bubbles which are there happening in the resin. You can see the way I was pricking the bubbles. Now we are going to set it for 10 hours. Now this is the result after 10 hours. Very nicely you can see that we have demolded the coaster. And you can see that the flowers are looking very pretty in the coaster. Now to finish the edges, I have used a gold paint. You can use any gold paint what you have with you, whether be a chalk paint, a acrylic color or a pigment based color. Any color can be used to finish the edges. Even there are markers which are available in market coming in metallic shades like gold and silver. You can even do the edging with the help of markers. Here I have used a normal gold paint. So I will be painting the complete edges using this gold color. It will add beauty to my coaster. As resin art is very trendy these days, I hope you are going to love my tutorial and you are for sure going to try it. Even with the same techniques, you can make jewelries, keychains, trays, coasters, a lot more to explore. So here, both the coasters are perfectly ready. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you!